What do you guys see in this model over here, similar to this? So there's sand and gravel, all right. So what did we learn in this one? Where's it going to go? Water going to go through faster? The rock. So if we added water over here, do we think that water would go faster in this part or at the bottom? The bottom, exactly. So now I need a volunteer. All right, Caitlin, looks like your hand shot up. I need you to pour water in this part right here, all the way up to the top. And I need all of you guys to tell us what's happening, what's going on in this profile.
The water's going higher.
All right, we've got some increase in water.
The water's bubbling.
It's going through the rocks.
It's bubbling. It's invincible.
It's invincible. Where's it going?
It's going into that tube thingy.
It's going to the tube thingy.
Yes.
These tube thingies,
Yeah.
they're getting filled up. Exactly.
They are? I know. Yeah.
Yeah. You guys can't see. If you guys want to come closer.
I don't see.
You want to squeeze the bottle a little faster?
I see it.
Whoa.
Oh, I see it.
All right. Just make sure you sit down so everyone in the back can see too. All right. These tubes. Okay, so these tubes are actually wells. And this cross section right here represents the Earth 100 miles wide and 100 feet deep. So this is a really big profile representing the groundwater. It's like splitting an apple in half, and you know how you have two halves? This would be like cutting the world or Earth in half, and this is what you'd see in the groundwater with all the wells. You can cut it at the equator, and we'd see these different wells, these different layers of soil. So thank you for your help, and I need another volunteer. All right, Jackson, your hand went up first. So we're going to fill in these wells with some green dye. And why we're going to use green is because you can't see, obviously, the clear water going through. So I need you to fill in this B right here. Squeeze it in. I need you guys to tell me what's happening.
It's going bye-bye.
It's going bye-bye. It's going down. Keep going. Keep going.
I see it forming bubbles.
Forming bubbles. Keep going. Yeah. So it's going through the well. We're putting water, green water, into the well. Well, what's that right there?
Water leaking out.
Water leaking out. Whoa. Okay, I want to do this one right here.
Yes, you see. You can see me.
All right.
What
We're
about-
doing it again.
What about question? Oh, water.
Whoa. It got really big and green, right?
What about question mark?
All right. You want to do this one right here? D2. Why is that happening?
It's overfilling.
It's overfilling, so the excess water is going out into the...
The farther away it is, the littler it is.
Yeah.
I get it.
So that means right here. Thank you very much. I think we're good. So as water goes in here, it's going all the way through. Look. Uh-oh. Wait, there's water spilling out over here. How's there water over here and we started with water over here?
There's water right here.
Well, how did it get there? It's going through rocks, exactly. So how did it... Exactly. So there's water in this whole system. How did it go from over here to here that was the force? Gravity. There we go. The key word is gravity pulls water sideways as much as it did over there, pulling it up and down. All right. So thank you for your help. I need 2 more volunteers. All right. So you in the back, are you ready to float? All right. We need some strength here. So I know this is the pumping tool. So like I told you, there's different kinds of wells. There's observation wells and pumping wells. We use pumping wells to get our water, our everyday water. Who wants to pump and who wants to hold this? Please hold that. All right, so we're going to put this into a pumping well right here. And I need you to pump. And I want you guys to tell me what happens.
It's water sucking.
Whoa, so we're pumping water. Where's the water coming from? The well. So the water that was over here is getting pulled over here through gravity and up there into the drinking water pumping cycle. So look at these green piles. Are they moving? Are they moving through the sand? No, they're just staying there. instead of just gravity moving it one way and pump it up and make our drinking water. So do we have any water in here? So there's our drinking water system. Well, you don't want to because it's going to have some green dye, but you could drink it. So this is what happens with, on a big scale, how we collect our drinking water that goes to your sinks, into your dishwashers, into your showers. So do you guys have any questions about what we did? About how gravity moved from point, yeah? Yeah, so the water moved down because it went into the profile and actually is moving through here. And then, as you can see, the water is dumping out because it's collecting in this one. All right, so you guys are done with the pump, and we're going to move on to the next activities. What? So, perfect. So instead, everyone's a volunteer in this one. So I need you guys to